You out there, bro?
See, bruh.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. Got an adventure planned. We're out here with Brian right now. Brian, what's going on? On the boat, the Old Soul. About to get that surf on. So check out this boat. We got the back here. Ronnie's on the fish thing. Captain's chair. Brian. Down here, you got your kitchen, sink, fridge, full bathroom, and the bed space. Where are we going?
Right out here, this place is called Dolphin Tanks. It's probably where we'll end up. It's right about where that cross is. It's a nice long left if you're into that kind of thing.
Hell yeah. Dropping anchor. How you feeling, bro?
Pretty good.
You excited or what?
Yeah, definitely excited.
Hell yeah. Bit nervous about this. First time surfing. Big surf from a boat. Feeling a bit seasick here. Had to take a bathroom break. Jesus.
Yeah. Stomach.
Need to get out of this boat.
Ready for this, bruh?
Born ready. See you out there, bro?
See, bruh?
We got quite a paddle out, get to the break there. At least we're on the back side of the waves, not the inside. We both feel like we're gonna puke already. We're about 200 feet from the boat. We're tired already.
Paddling in.
First break. Oh man, paddling back is gonna kill. Come on. The smaller the board, the harder it is to paddle. And I brought my smallest board today. We're on our third break of the paddle out. About a third of the way. Feeling all sorts of sick right now. Is my face white? Let me know in the comments below. Caught up with Brian back here. Gonna need a minute. Woo. I just got sucked so hard by this wave. Oh shit, here it comes again. I'm just not having a great time out here. I can't catch a wave. I don't want to go back to the boat, but I don't want to give up without catching a wave. I'm just getting beat up out here. Tried to go under a wave, smash my knee on the board. Triceps cramping up. Still gotta get one wave there. We're bugging out. Headed home. Arms just moving. Gonna paddle about 10 feet. Triceps cramping up. Left shoulders. Oh, so strange. Halfway through that paddle back. Get a little breather. Pretty disappointed that I didn't get any waves, but I gave it my all. My skill level, my fitness level just isn't there yet for these big open ocean waves yet. Hardest part of surfing isn't standing up on the board. It's all the paddling. It's amazing fitness. People ask me how I stay in shape. This is a large part of it. It's getting out and it's fun. If you find something that's fun to do and also get the exercise, you'll be fit. We made it back to the boat. Alright bro, boat surfing.
Too big for me right now. I got destroyed. Definitely not used to it.
What was the worst part of it?
Getting held under by the water, swallowed a bunch of it.
What was the best part?
Exercise.
The exercise?
Being out here.
That was a lot of exercise for sure. Yeah. So we're back in the boat. We lived to tell the tale, barely. That was a lot harder than I was expecting. I definitely brought the wrong board for that and have not been getting enough fitness to keep up I just got destroyed. Didn't get a single wave, but I gave it my all. I stayed out, tried with everything I had. So know what I need to do next time. I need more practice, maybe a different board, and get some more bigger waves, get that wave count up, and next time we'll be back to get some waves for you guys. That's a sick towel, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Love that. You look like the Emperor from Star Wars. Captain Brian, how you feeling?
Good. Tired.
Good sesh?
Yeah, not bad.
Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. Special thanks to Brian here. By the way, we work together in the bike business. He makes these amazing aluminum side boxes for the bikes. He can tell you way more about it, but check him out at ebikecargo.com. Link in the description. Special thanks to my brother as well, at Ronald is Maximus. You guys have an amazing, amazing week. We'll see you later. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget that. Look at that beauty. So by the way guys, Brian is actually selling this boat. 2001 Toyota engine, Atlas Acadia lobster boat. You can take it surfing, you can cruise. It's got the bedroom, it's got the sink, the bathroom. Asking price is around 60 for it. So if you're interested, leave some comments below. We'll get you in contact with Brian. It's turnkey. Check it out.